Welcome to this tutorial on the Vanguard FTSE Developed Markets Index Fund ETF, also known as VEA. This exchange-traded fund is designed to track the performance of the FTSE Developed All-Cap ex-US Index, which includes stocks from developed markets around the world. Excluding the United States, the VEA ETF is a low-cost and efficient way to gain exposure to a broad range of international stocks, with a focus on developed markets. It holds over 3,800 stocks from countries such as the United Kingdom, Japan, Canada, and Australia, providing diversification and reducing risk. One of the key benefits of the VEA ETF is its low expense ratio, which is currently 0.05%. This means that for every $100 invested, you will pay just 5 cents in fees per year. This makes it an attractive option for investors who want to keep costs low and maximize their returns. To invest in the VEA ETF, you can purchase shares through a brokerage account. You can also use this ETF as a core holding in a diversified portfolio, or as a satellite investment to complement other holdings. For example, if you have a portfolio that is heavily weighted towards US stocks, you can use the VEA ETF to gain exposure to international markets and reduce your overall risk. In terms of performance, the VEA ETF has historically provided returns that are similar to those of the underlying index. It has also been less volatile than some other international ETFs, making it a good option for investors who are looking for a more stable investment. Best practices for investing in the VEA ETF include starting with a long-term perspective, as this will help you to ride out any market fluctuations and maximize your returns. It is also a good idea to diversify your portfolio by holding a range of different asset classes, including stocks, bonds, and cash. Additionally, consider dollar-cost averaging, which involves investing a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of the market's performance. In conclusion, the Vanguard FTSE Developed Markets Index Fund ETF is a low-cost and efficient way to gain exposure to a broad range of international stocks. With its low expense ratio and diversified holdings, it can be a valuable addition to a diversified portfolio. By following best practices such as starting with a long-term perspective and diversifying your holdings, you can use the VEA ETF to help you achieve your investment goals.